Hello, hello. Happy Sunday, people. How are you? Oh, I don't know, but if you live in Western New York, today was a gorgeous day. It was cold, but the sun was shining, and sometimes that's all we need. I'm coming off of a 3-day, 2 12s and an 11 shift. So I was exhausted today, so I needed the sun. I needed it badly. The sun and then a Bloody Mary, because we went to brunch to the Beer Project, and I had to get an outrageous Bloody Mary. Delicious. So, I'm sure everyone's getting ready to watch the Oscars, so maybe you'll be catching the replay. That's fine by me. When you hop on the replay, just type replay, so I know you popped on, you said hi, hey. Now, March Madness, that's what I'm calling it, March Madness. LimeLight is mad this March. So, listen, calm down and listen. If you have even thought about joining me on this crazy ride that is so much fun, March is the time to really think about it. And I'm going to tell you why. You know, I've done videos before on what we get in our starter kit. I'm not going to go through that tonight. You can catch me on YouTube. Go on my YouTube channel. I have a whole video on there of what comes in your starter kit. Which, you know, you all know, you've heard me talk. The starter kit is $169 to literally start your own virtual franchise. I mean, hello. And you get over $300 worth of products. So that alone, I mean, it's awesome. And literally, I figured it out because I'm a numbers girl. I like to run numbers. Give me a calculator all day long. I love it. All you have to do is sell $700 worth of product to make your money back. Hello? It's LimeLight product. Literally, you just have to have your friends try it. That's exactly how I started. A friend of mine brought it over. I tried it. I called her the next day. I'm like, I got to do this. So the madness comes in. So you get your starter kit in March. If you join in March, on top of your starter kit, which is worth $300-something, and you're only paying $169, you will get a 4-palette eyeshadow. These are the colors that are coming in the medium kit, because you can pick like light, medium, dark complexion, whatever fits your complexion. 4 of them. These are the colors in the medium. These are what I have on today. All right, that's not enough. That's a $44 value right there. Does this brush look familiar? You know I use this on my bronzer, my blush, my highlighter. Angled blusher. It's a $36 brush and worth every penny. These are literally professional brushes. The handles are weighted. These are lifetime brushes. Then my beloved eye brushes. You get the pointed blender, the dome blender, which this is the old one. For some reason I misplaced, but it will come with the black weighted handle. The flat shadow, which is a must. And then the bent liner right there. 5 brushes. 5 professional lifetime. Literally, if you take care of these brushes, they're lifetime brushes. And the 4-palette eyeshadow comes with your kit for free. I just feel like hitting finish right now, because if you are sitting on the fence, get off the fence. This does not happen very often. I'm like, can I just resign and then sign back up? Because that's what I want to do. $154 retail value. Oh, let's turn it around, get my life right. All right. Now, on top of that, and I don't usually share this with you guys, every month the company gives us incentives, like, you know, sell X amount, sell $500, you know, we get like whatever, something, a prize. And we don't win it, we earn it. I want to get that straight right now. Nobody's winning anything. We work and we earn it. This month, our incentive, we have a $500 incentive. Oh, sugar, and I forgot what that was. Because if anyone's on, what's our $500 incentive? Anyways, you sell $2,000 this month. Do you know what they're giving us? You know what we're earning? Let me rephrase. I'm going to show you. Now you can see mine in the mirror because I have two. This is our Reiki Skinny mirror. This mirror is made by Glamcore. It's made for LimeLight. It's branded LimeLight. A rose gold. This is a $194 mirror. So, you know I ran the numbers for you. So if you're on the fence, we need to get you off the fence. Yes, you can do it. We can private talk about all of that. If you signed on, you're going to get the 5-piece brushes, the eyeshadow. So you sign on, you work, because, girl, you got to work, okay? Nothing in life is free. You sell $2,000 in product, you're going to get the free mirror as your incentive, plus your commission check's going to be $600. Plus, you will earn, and I'm not getting into all the details, a fast start bonus of another $150 in product credit. March Madness. Literally, if you're on the fence, message me. I'm not a high pressure person. If any of you know me or have talked to me about this, I'm not high pressure, but I'm here to answer questions, and I'm here to tell you that you can do it, and I'm here to tell you that this is the best company you could do it with. People, network marketing is not what it used to be. Trust me, I know this. I wouldn't be here if it was. I'm not into making a list of 100 friends and calling every one of them. I'm not into cold messaging people on Facebook. None of us are. We are not taught to do that. This is the way of the future. I mean, this is the way it's going. People in this company are, I don't care. We have girls in their 20s and we have women in their 60s at the top of this company making a full-time income. Maybe that's not your thing. Maybe you just want to make a couple $100 a month. Then do it. What are you waiting for? If you were waiting for something, this is it. Because this doesn't happen often. We don't give these, I feel it, I should have said, I'm like such a midget. I'm like, I feel like all the comments are in my face. So, yeah, March Madness. They're not calling it that, I am. So calm down. It just came to my head because it's madness. So I'm going to end up with 3 Reiki Skinnies because that's my goal. And they're nice, you know, if you have a couple girls over, everybody can have their own mirror. So, but seriously, if it's even crossing your mind, just chat with me. I'm not going to hound you. I'm not going to, trust me. It's not old school. It's not that. I don't want anyone here that doesn't want to be here. I'm not going to want to talk you into anything. But that is the madness that's going on. And so come be a part of it. It would be fun. You know, I have not regretted 1 minute since I signed on with this company. And I've really focused a lot on my customers, which I still love my customers. I will love my customers till forever. But, you know, I want to start focusing on building a team, building a tribe of women, you know, like just my girls. So, you know, if you've thought about it and you want to chat, hit me up. March is the time. you get some free stuff with your kit, and then you can earn your Reiki Skinny. Doesn't get better than that. All right. Go watch the Oscars. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.